Good morning, class ninth. Now, today our topic is ordinary people and the crimes against humanity. This is the last topic of this chapter. Many ordinary people genuinely believed Nazism. Nazism means believed in the theory of Nazi would bring prosperity and improve general well-being. However, some Germans organized active resistance to Nazism, suffering police repressions and even death. But most Germans were passive onlookers and apathetic witnesses, as they were too scared to act, to differ, or to protest. But for the Jews, life was altogether different. Charlotte Berat, an author, in her book The Third Reach of Dreams, wrote that Jews themselves began believing in the Nazi stereotypes about them. The stereotypical images publicized publicized in the Nazi press haunted the Jews and they troubled even in their dreams. They died many deaths before they reached the gas chambers. Knowledge about the Holocaust. Some of the horrible practices followed by Nazis had trickled out of Germany during the war, but its full extent was known only when the war ended. The atrocities and sufferings that Jews had experienced during the Nazi killing operations are called the Holocaust. The indomitable spirit to bear witness and to preserve documents can be seen in many ghetto and camp inhabitants who wrote diaries, kept notebooks, and created archives. In contrast, the Nazi leadership distributed petrol to its followers to destroy all incriminating evidence when they started losing of war. These memories by the victims are a tribute to those who resisted the present persecution, a reminder to those who collaborated, and a warning to those who watched in silence. So, like this, the chapter is over, and I hope that you will start to prepare the note on the basis of this explanation. If you have any doubt, then ask me personally on my WhatsApp. Tomorrow onwards, we will write this chapter. I will give you the timeline, NCERT solutions, and some extra questions. So, it is mandatory to prepare your notes first. Thereafter, you have to write timeline and then the NCRT solutions and extras, etc. Thank you.